Our top story tonight, questions about how a Macon murder suspect released from jail. Quindray Threatt bailed out last Wednesday on a $50,000 bond.
He's accused of killing a Macon man in February of 2020. Ashlyn Webb breaks down what we know and why a judge says he signed off on the bond.
It's rare to see a murder suspect bail out of jail, but murder suspect Quindray Threatt has bailed out of Bibb County Jail twice on the same murder charge. Once in May 2020 and most recently this past Wednesday. That was after he was rearrested on additional charges in this murder case. This was the scene in February 2020. 45-year-old Michael Whittaker Jr. shot several times on Concord and 3rd Streets in downtown. Quindray Threatt is accused of killing Whittaker. According to the indictment filed in March of this year, Threatt faces 3 counts: felony murder, malice murder, and aggravated assault. But after a grand jury indicted him, a judge granted him bond this month, $50,000. According to the bond order, Judge Bryant Culpepper set bond because Threatt showed no signs of fleeing before trial. We spoke by phone to Culpepper. He would not discuss specifics of this case, but talked in general about how judges set bond.
Depends on if the case is moving or not. Sometimes we take that into consideration as to when the likelihood of it being tried.
The judge's order said Threatt would not be a danger to the public and would not commit a felony while out on bond. But Bibb County Sheriff's Office says jail records show that he bailed out on the same murder charge in May 2020. And since that happened, he's accused of at least 3 new felonies: aggravated assault by shooting a man, aggravated battery, and rioting in the jail. In a statement to 13 WMAZ, the district attorney's office says they opposed Culpepper setting bond. They added that, quote, serious and violent nature of the charges make Threatt a risk to the safety of the community and his likelihood to reoffend based upon his continued violations of the law. Bibb County Sheriff's Office says based on their records, Judge Culpepper also signed off on the $50,000 bond back in May 2020. But we in the Bibb County Superior Court Clerk's Office could not locate records on why that bond was granted. Under state law, a judge must set bond if a suspect has not been indicted within 90 days of his arrest. But in this case, Threatt had been in jail for only 2 months. Reporting in Macon, Ashlyn Webb, 13 WMAZ News.
The district attorney's office told Ashland they cannot locate Threatt's bond order from May 2020. That bond hearing happened over video conference.